Exercise. Question number 1. Define the two categories of software. Number 1, application software. Number 2, system software. Application software, type of software specially designed for user to meet the needs of user. I have told you before in this slide, application software are designed for user. Like web browsers, user can use it. It is used by user. System has no concern with this type of software. Similarly, Photoshop, Paint, Word, Excel are the example of application software. Next, system software. System software is a software that controls the coordinates and processes, features and functions of the computer. It also connects. You can say that system software is the software which is used by operating system, which have no concern with the user. Linux, Windows are operating systems which are system software. Next, describe an operating system and name its two types. Operating system are of many types. Operating system is used to provide user interface between the hardware and user. Types of operating system are single user operating system, multi-user, multitasking and multiprocessing. You can name any two. Next, name any three popular operating system. Disk operating system, which I have show you in the slides. Microsoft Windows you use on daily basis. Linux, you can see the Windows here. Apple Macintosh, which are used in only Apple products. Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat are all operating system, but most popular are Windows and DOS and Linux. Next, what do you understand by the following terms? Multi-user operating system, multitasking operating system, multiprocessing operating system. Multi-user are accessed by multi-users. I have told you Unix is the multi-user operating system. Multitasking operating system, which allow user to perform multitask. Like I am playing video, I am listening music, I am playing game. Multiprocessing operating system, at the same time multiple CPUs are running and performing the operations. Write briefly about the following operating systems. Disk operating system, you can define it briefly. Windows 95, Windows NT, you can see in this slide. I have no need to read this, you just learn about it by slides. Windows XP, Mac OS, Unix, Linux. Next, discuss scheduling and file management. As function of an operating system, scheduling is the process. At times there are many programs running on a computer simultaneously. The operating system manages all these programs by scheduling their execution. I have told you that the program which can be executed shortly, the system will take this program and execute it so that the memory can be free and performing of the operating system will be okay in speed up way. File management, you can see in your computer, files are managed according to capacity, according to date, time and all these things, which is the functionality of a operating system. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.